Hello kids, welcome back to XoraTales. Today we are going to learn about a super cool shape. It has 4 sides. It's the rectangle. Let's say it together, rectangle. Now let's look at rectangle objects around us. Are you ready? Let's go. Rectangle. Book. Look, here is a book. That makes it a rectangle. It has 2 long sides and 2 short sides. Mobile phone. Do you see a mobile phone? Its screen is also a rectangle. We watch videos and cartoons on a rectangular screen. Door. This is a door. Many doors are rectangles. For sides, opposite sides equal. Chocolate bar. Yummy chocolate. Most chocolate bars are also rectangles. Sweet and perfectly shaped. Your TV or tablet screen. Yes, that's a rectangle too. Great job, super learners. Let's repeat all the rectangle things we saw today. Book. Mobile phone. Door. Chocolate bar. TV or tablet. Rectangles are everywhere around us. Keep looking, keep learning, and keep smiling. See you next time. Bye-bye.